Have you ever wondered how your body manages to maintain its internal temperature whether it's scorching hot out or nice cool day?
Well, the answer to this is homeostasis, which is the ability for the body or cell to seek and maintain a condition of equilibrium or stability within its internal environment. Thermal regulation is the maintenance of the body temperature within a range of cells that enable it to function efficiently.
Different species in animals can be divided into two categories, ectotherms and endotherms. Ectotherms depend on their external environment to control their internal body temperature. Ectotherms consist mostly of reptiles. The internal activities in the body of an ectotherm are dependent on their external temperature. Most ectotherms depend on sunbathing to heat their bodies. Endotherms consist mostly of mammals. Endotherms are able to control their body temperature internally through homeostasis. Their internal temperature is also affected by their external environment.
Body temperature is a measure of the body's ability to generate and get rid of heat. Humans maintain an average core temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. The effects of the human body becoming too hot or too cold are heat stroke and hypothermia, respectively.
Therefore, the human body must strive to maintain this 37 degrees Celsius at all times. The human body uses negative feedback in order to do so. Negative feedback operates primarily through the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is the region of the vertebrae's brain responsible for coordinating many nerve and hormone functions. The hypothalamus contains not only the control mechanisms but also key temperature sensors.
Heat stroke occurs when the body fails to regulate its own temperature and continues to rise, often to 40.6 degrees Celsius or higher. This happens when your body is exposed to excess heating caused by exercise or high temperatures in the environment.
When your body detects a rise in body temperature, a nerve message is sent to the hypothalamus within the brain, which sends a signal to the sweating glands. Your body begins to sweat. The evaporation of this sweat allows the skin to cool. Another nerve message is sent to the blood vessels in your skin, allowing the vessels to dilate to carry the excess heat to your skin surface. The blood is able to lose heat since the skin has already been cooled. When the blood is carried throughout the body, it cools the internal organs.
Though an abnormally low body temperature can occur, hypothermia can be serious and even life-threatening. Such low body temperature may occur from cold exposure, shock, alcohol and drug use, certain metabolic disorders such as diabetes and hypothyroidism.
When you are too cold, your skin sends the hypothalamus an indication of a decrease in temperature. The hypothalamus sends a message to the organs and tissues to increase body temperature, and a nerve message to initiate shivering, which is a contraction of skeletal muscles. This extra muscle activity helps generate more heat. Nerves cause your peripheral blood vessels to constrict so that blood flow to your skin is reduced to conserve body heat.
Goosebumps occur when the hair follicles in your skin tend to stand on end when you're too cold due to the nerve messages that are sent through the smooth muscles that enclose these follicles. These contracting muscles are cause of the small bumps on your skin attached to the hair. The hair is then able to lock the heat to the surface of the skin, reducing heat loss. And that's a regulation of body temperature.